What's up, guys? Mountain Chicken in here, and I have my Chevy C10 in my driveway. I took it out of the backyard again, and it was kind of a hassle because there's no weight on the rear of the bed and this tire. All the power goes to this tire right here, and it just kept spinning out. So yeah, I got it out of the backyard. So pretty much, whoops, I hope you guys can see this, it's kind of dark. My goal is to take this truck apart in the next week. Alright guys, so next I'm going to go ahead and take the cowl off. I have some bolts right here, and then right here, shut the top right off. Alright guys, so pretty much I took off the wheels off those bolts with an angle grinder. I have my angle grinder here. Niner, super Pokemon baby. Yeah. So it has a head, right? And then it has a bolt in it. And then it has this little tab with another nut. So when I loosen it, it just kind of spins this in place. It's pretty much just spinning this. So if you get another socket on the other end, like this, you pretty much get two sockets, and then kind of turn it. So that's what I'm going to do here. I don't know what this is for, guys. I'm going to set this to the side here. This wiring is out of the way. Right here. I really don't know what any of this wiring is for, guys. And also, these two bolts right here, this one had a shim on it. This shim was right here. This one did not have a shim, but the cow had a shim. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this here, and then if it fell, I'll go and find it later. But then to remove the fender well, I have to remove some of these wires out of the way. Some of this out of the way. I think this goes to the starter. Wire. This is the positive. Move that over there. This, I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt this right here. This one, can you see it? This is right here. And then we'll kind of move this out of the way. My video. So this goes here, and then this right here. I have no idea what it is. It has like a switch. But these are like closed off. And then I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. It's mounted to that. These were the bolts. These were the bolts for the underneath the radiator support, and they go in right here. 1, 2, 3, and yeah. So they bolted up there. There's a couple bolts here. Looks like this goes into there, and then let's see on the other side. Yeah, so this fender well also has 1, 2, and 3, just like the other side. 1, 2, 3, and then it has these ones up here, and then that big one on this side right there. That big one. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take those off. I don't know how hard it's gonna be to take them off. They might break. Looks like there's this tube right here. I don't know what this is for. This is up here spinning. I wonder if there's a ground clamp here. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take those off, guys. I'll check with you guys in a little bit. So that doesn't really do anything. So yeah. Alright guys, so what I noticed is that those inner fender wells, they have a location to bolt onto. That's what holds them in place, obviously. So that big bolt goes right here. I think I pointed that earlier. There's one that goes in here, and then these ones is where it holds. So you guys can see this. It holds to some of them. I don't know if you guys can see. It's kind of dark. There's one. There's a couple on the inside of the frame, like in here. There's one right here and one right here. So every bolt holds on the fender. So yeah, so I got this out. Pretty much, there's one bolt right here to take out. This girl had 2 bolts on the bottom here. It's kind of hard to see. So let me get my light in the inside. So 2 up here, 2 right here, and the same on the other side. It should be ready to come out. Let's see. Looks like it'll come out. Alright. I'm gonna sit you down so you can see me. This one, I think that's it for now, but let's go ahead and take those off. This one over here, and then this one over here. Alright, I'm gonna hit them with the ratchet. Alright guys, so this is where I'm pretty much at. Front grille is off. The inner fender wheels are off. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera off and keep working a little bit, and then I'll check back in with you when I make some sort of progress. I'm gonna go grab a light. I might take off the radiator, but I want to take off. I'm gonna try to take this off right here next, so that way I can get to the front bumper and take the front bumper off. But yeah guys, I'll go ahead and check in with you in a little bit.